Hi, this is Lisa with Inspire to Thrive. I wanted to show you how you can use Agorapulse with Twitter. You can use Agorapulse for Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter. And I do use it for all, but there's some fabulous functions in Twitter that I just wanted to share. So the first thing that got me going on Agorapulse was their beautiful reporting system. And this is showing a comparison month over month. Let me get to the right one here. I wanted to get into my personal one versus the business one that I wanted to share with everyone. So it shows your followers, your engagement overall, and it also shows you in this way. So you can see it by day, you can see it by month, you can see it in chart or in pure numbers. It gives you again the day by day. I particularly like this one right here, so I can see exactly, how many things were happening in the month. It was a little down, the interactions over the previous. It shows the most active time was Wednesday morning, like around 9 a.m. And this gives you the number of mentions. Mentions are also visits to a website. If I added listening, I would have some listening in there. I've just started doing that with some labeling. So you can label every single thing that you schedule on Twitter and be able to see what really is working versus what's maybe not working. And it shows the top keywords, hashtags. And this actually broke them down for me because I started adding those tags. I have them labeled as different posts, contributor posts, blog posts, YouTube. YouTube seemed to do well. So it's very interesting, different stats that you will see. And then if you push this little button, you get the report, which I done prior to the video. And it says your report is ready for download. I want to show you how beautiful these reports are. And here you go. You get to have your logo put on when you have an account with Agorapulse. And it gives you the dates, the insights. These are wonderful to share with clients. And you can, like this listing, usually I take that one off the report if it's something that is not necessary. So certain ones I'll take off when you create the reports. So it shows them exactly how many tweets. This part I love, seeing exactly what the tweets look like, the creative graphic that was used for it. Those look wonderful, wonderful. So I really like these, and the best time of day to publish, the best type, media, links, and status. And these actually show which got the more interaction, so having the media versus the links worked a little bit better there. So I love having those reports. That's really what got me so excited about Agorapulse. But the more I'm using it, the more I'm learning. I'm loving it for so many reasons. On Twitter, you get to see who your top followers are. And this shows you, the engagement, when they sent a message, when they retweeted your tweets, if they mentioned you. Shows if they're an ambassador, which means that they promote you. So I love these particular items that you can have here. It also gives you favorites and top. Let's see what the top is. So here's my top ambassador engaged folks. Sue Ann's #1, my Philly Media #2, 3 is Peter. People that I talk to all the time. Larry, Brenda. Brenda just came back on Twitter after taking a hiatus. And it goes on and on. So you can see the people you talk with on a regular basis. So I love these features. Next is the publishing list. Let's see what we got here. This is my scheduled. So you get to see it two different ways. You have a list or the calendar. I usually use a calendar, but the list is nice. You can send these to clients now. That is the best, being able to send them what's coming up for them. Schedule a couple weeks out, a month out, and it can be sent to them. So I love that feature. In the calendar, this is how I like to look at my overall schedule. So I know I'm good through October 16. Today's the 8th. That's usually pretty good. I like to try to get ahead 2 weeks for clients and myself. Doesn't always happen. So I'm pretty comfortable that I've got a few others in the queue as well. So that's not bad. Listening. This is the next part of what you can do. So this particular one, let's see. Someone just RT'd, they retweeted something that I tweeted. So I can say, I can write back in here, thank you for the share on this post. Have a great afternoon. And hit send. So you can actually tweet right back from the listening tab. And if you assign other people, they would be assigned so that they could go and do that for you. I do have a few freelancers, but I didn't want to show a lot of different accounts on here just for proprietary reasons. So I'm just sharing mine on this particular video. And then there's the review, which I just did. I made this is my second time doing the video. I wasn't happy with the first one. So I did review some of these already. Let's see if I can find one that I didn't. Right here. This is a good one. Emmett. Okay. So he was sharing something, and I'm just going to say thank you, Emmett, for the share. Hope you are doing well. Oops, I got to spell right here. I always go too fast when I'm on video. Doing well today. And you can use emojis. I love emojis. Everybody loves emojis today. So you can use emojis right here on Agorapulse when you're replying to tweets. Wonderful, wonderful. Janice here, Janice Wow, looks like she shared one of my tweets. So I'm going to say, thank you, Janice. How are you today? And with that thank you, I can send a little up button and send it away. So that's how you can work in Agorapulse. Again, the best part for me is I love the reports and the scheduling. Those two things are a huge time saver. I just can't even imagine being on Twitter today without those. And now you have the review and you have the listening. The listening is great because you can really see what's going on, who you're talking with, and also the fans and followers. Fabulous. So if you haven't tried Agorapulse, they do have 28-day free trial, and I have that on my blog post, Why I Love Agorapulse, so you can check it out there and you can sign up free for the 28 days and try it. I will be doing another video on how you can use Instagram and Facebook with Agorapulse, but I wanted to get out this Twitter one because I know a lot of folks are on Twitter and want to know how to be able to use it a little bit easier. So I hope this has helped. Have a great day.